Judicial Statement Dictation number 8 Speed 60 words per minute Start. After closure of prosecution evidence, the statement of the appellant under Section 342 CRPC was recorded, wherein he denied the allegations and claimed that he had been picked up from his residence prior to the alleged date of incident and falsely implicated in the present case. The appellant further produced defense witnesses, including his wife and a journalist, who supported his plea of prior illegal detention. The trial court, however, after appreciating the evidence, convicted and sentenced the appellant as stated above. We have heard learned counsel for the appellant as well as learned Deputy Prosecutor General since at considerable length and have carefully examined the entire evidence available on record. The main contention of the learned counsel for the appellant is that the prosecution case is false, fabricated and concocted, that no such recovery was made from the appellant, that he was picked up prior to the alleged incident, and that the trial court failed to appreciate material contradictions and legal infirmities in the prosecution case. Conversely, learned Deputy Prosecutor General has supported the impugned judgment and urged the prosecution has successfully proved its case through reliable evidence. It is observed that the entire case of the prosecution hinges upon the testimony of police officials, as no independent witness has been associated with the alleged arrest and recovery. The complainant himself admitted during cross-examination that the place of incident was a thickly populated and busy area, however, no effort was made to associate any private person as witness. This omission assumes significance in the circumstances of the case and casts serious doubt on the prosecution story. It is a settled principle of law that where independent witnesses are available but are not examined without plausible explanation, an adverse inference may be drawn against the prosecution full stop. Another important aspect of the case is that the alleged recovered material was neither sealed properly nor produced before the trial court during evidence